Hello, everyone, and I'm coming to you with another video for TronArk. As you know, if you've been following the journey for this smart contract, the idea is to recoup the initial investment and then reinvest on a 90-10 or 50-50 schedule. So right now we're going to do a withdrawal and just wait until we get to the 10,000 TRX mark. So far, the contract is looking strong. Let's just check it on TronScan. So right now, the contract on TronScan is showing 10,487,669 TRX, which translates into 566,639 US dollars. So that looks great. And let's just go ahead and do the withdrawal, which up to this time from yesterday, we've earned 819 TRX. Okay, great. So now we're up to 8,095 TRX for this contract. We should have 2 or 3 more days before we break even. And I think what I will do is implement a 90-10 strategy. So we will withdraw and reinvest 90% and keep 10% in the wallet so that the investment can grow. I'll keep you up to date on that. Please like and comment and share the video and join our Facebook page. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.